Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for airport maps on the FlyDelta application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the Airport Maps button, which is the fourth option. After that, you can either search by typing in the city or the airport name. Here you can find your recent searches, but you can type in a new one if you want to. Into the search bar, tap on it and click on the search button. And here you will be able to find the relevant map. If you tap on it, you will be directed to google.com where you can check out the map in more details, and you can also check it out on Google Maps. So that's how you can search for airport maps. Here you can see the airport, you can zoom in and out. And as you go back to the previous page, you can check out your recent searches here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.